Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be sharing with you one of the authentic East Indian dishes which is called East Indian Vade or Talnai Roti. Basically it is fried rice and lentil bread. So let's see how to make it. Here I have taken 3 cups of rice flour and 2 cups of urid dal flour. So the proportion of rice flour and urid dal flour is 3:2. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar. Take 5 to 6 tablespoon water in small bowl and add 1 teaspoon dried yeast in it and mix it well and keep it aside. When you are grinding rice and urad dal, make sure it is coarse, don't grind it too fine. Also, rice has to be washed and dried before grinding. Mix all these ingredients and then add 2 tablespoon oil in it. Then add yeast what we have mixed with the water and mix it all together. We need a nice soft dough out of it. The softness of this bread is totally depend on the way we knead the dough. Here we are not going to pour water all together. Step by step we're gonna add little water and keep on mixing with the flour. So kneading is very important here. I'll be kneading this dough for around 30 minutes. For 3 cup rice flour, 2 cup urad dal flour, I have used almost 4 cups of water, and the capacity of the bowl what I used is 200 mils. Kneading the dough is really hard work here, but you will get the best result at the end. This is very popular and traditional recipe of East Indian community, especially made on weddings and festivals. Here you can see the dough is still hard, so I need to add some more water and make the dough softer. Now it's time to take the dough out on the kitchen worktop. So I'll be cleaning it first and then take it out on it, and you need to knead it again. You need to follow the same procedure again till the dough turns very soft. You can see now it is turning soft. So again we need to put it back in the vessel. Few more minutes, follow the same procedure, and then it's all done. We need to keep it for the fermentation. I'll be keeping it for 10 to 12 hours for rising it up, because here the weather is bit cold. If the weather is warm, you don't need to keep it for so long. In warm weather, within 5 to 6 hours it rises up. So it is depend on weather. See, this is the perfect consistency. Now I am going to cover it, wrap it in the cloth and then put it in the plastic bag. I'm gonna keep it in the warm place, and then we'll see after 10 to 12 hours. See, after 12 hours it has increased almost more than double in the size. Let's take the air out of it. Half of the batter I'll be keeping in the fridge so I can use it later. Take some water in a small bowl. Oil is already heated in the pan. Let's see how to make it now. Apply some water on your hand and take little batter on it. Just make ball like it and just dab it gently. Pick it with other hand and then put it in the oil. Let's see it one more time. Be careful while putting it in the oil. Also, you need to check the temperature of oil. Oil shouldn't be very hot. If the oil is too hot, vadas will burn from outside and inside it will be uncooked. And if oil is not heated properly, then vadas will soak the oil. So first check the oil and keep on increasing and reducing the heat. Once it turns red from one side, just turn it. And make sure they shouldn't stick to each other. See, these two are perfectly ready. So let's take it out. You can eat these vadas with tea or with chicken curry, mutton curry, any vegetable curry, or just as it is. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. You do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. And also please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.